I'm Yvonne, and today I want to show you how to make cashew ricotta. It's super easy, it's vegan, you can put it in anything, and all you need is three things to make it. The first being cashews, obviously, the second being lemons, and the third is salt. Once you have these three things and a blender, you are good to go. So the first thing you want to do is soak 2 cups of cashews for overnight, or at least 6 hours. I've got raw cashews here, but you can also use roasted. It'll just have a little bit different flavor. And then you want to get the juice from 2 lemons and a teaspoon of salt. You want to drain and rinse your cashews and then put them in a blender or food processor with the other ingredients. Now that we have our ingredients here, we just want to blend until you have the desired consistency, depending on how you're going to use it. You probably want to scrape it down a few times while it's blending to make sure that it all gets mixed in together. And if it's really not blending, you can add a little water to help it move a little bit. You can see here we've got the nice consistency, texture is good. If you want to use this on a pizza, you can scoop it into a plastic baggie, cut the tip off, and then pipe it out like frosting. I'm going to be using this for stuffed shells. And I will post an update with how that turns out. So this has been how to make cashew ricotta. Again, I'm Yvonne. Thank you for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, you can donate to the Paulie staff. PayPal link, which is in